Hello, it's Flo, and today I want to show you on this HTC One X running with Android my top 10 for the Android apps. First one is the Play Store, because this application is needed to install all other applications. This is the one application installed on all Android devices around the world. On this Google Play, you can see different things. You have different icons there for apps, movies, or books. When you click on apps, you have the apps download interface. You can go to categories and select which categories you want to find your application. You have featured, you have top paid application, the top free, the top grossing, top new paid, top new free, and trending. When you go, for example, on an application, you can download it. For example, this one, I have to click on install, accept and download, and it will just install on my device. When you have an application, you can also switch on a different account if needed. For example, I want to change for another one. Okay, accept. When you get an application on your phone, there, for example, if I have an application already downloaded, for example, this one, you can open it from Google Play, but you can also rate and review this application. You also get different reviews from other people or comments from this pupil and other application released by the developer and other user also installed applications. You can also order books or movies. For example, for movies, you can rent different movies. For example, you can rent Spider-Man or download it and buy it for 14 euros. And you get it on your phone. You have different categories also for movies. You have the top selling and top released. You have also for books the same thing. You can click one book, for example, recommended for me. I have to click on this one and I can download it for free, because this one is free, but others could be paid. For example, this one you can buy it for 15 euros. Okay, this is my first app I have to show you. The second one is Maps, but Maps is working for Google Maps application. Loading, yes. And you get here your map. You have also the layers. On layers you can show different things as traffic. For example, on all the Europe, you can see the traffic, and if it's just green or red. For example, on Paris, there you have the red traffic for different places, and it's just used for the navigation. On layers, you can just use the satellite view. You can also clear all things. You have the terrain, the latitude. On My Maps, My Maps, for example, is created from Google. You have to select your map, and you can select, for example, your school. You have different places you have there, so you can see there different pin here, here, and here, just for me. Okay, I have to clear the map like that. And you have also on layers the Wikipedia layers. For example, on Wikipedia layers, we can use this one, which are to search a Wikipedia. We click on Wikipedia, because like that, you click on the name and you get the article on Wikipedia there, and you get it here. For example, we get the Wikipedia article. Okay, we also are able to use the navigation from Google Maps. For example, if I want to go to this place, I don't know, near Roma, we get there and we want to use this one. So it loads the address, and you can use Street View. So let's go to use Street View on Google Maps. With Street View, you can, for example, use something like that, and you get the street where you are. You can also use now with Street View the compass mode. With the compass mode, you can just choose, something like that to know where you are. So this is just amazing to see something like that with your phone. Okay, we can also, when we select it, get directions or get on map. You have also the possibility, so get maps for car, for transport mode, or by walking. For example, we get car like that and get directions. With that, we are waiting for location and driving directions. Waiting for location, please. you know where I am. Okay, your current location is temporarily not working. Okay, so where am I? Okay, so I have maybe to access by Wi-Fi by this way. Okay, what can I show you? Also there we have the different people that you can see there, the different places near you or near something that you are looking for. You have more categories. You can also write the place you want to go. For example, there you have to use it for favorite. And if this is a shop, you can also write the shop and let some comments about the shop. So let's go, for example, there. Excuse me. Let's go there. Loading address, BNB, what's nearby, search nearby place, search this place. Okay, for example, let's go to direction and get direction. Oh, waiting for location still. So let's go to activate the GPS. Where is my GPS? There. Okay, activate the GPS. Your current location is unavailable. Okay, so there you are able to get directions normally, and with these directions you can also get navigation. And with navigation you can just use navigation as GPS to go to another location, for example. So still waiting for location, I don't know why. You have to clear the map also, and let's go to my... You have also different settings to show or not different buttons, for example the plus and minus for zoom, for example. So why I'm not on the map? Okay, I will be back later maybe with that. On other applications, I want to show you this is Google Googles. With this application you can take pictures about different things. For example, I have take that or that, and I can search with different things. For example, take a picture. You can resize the place you want to take picture. For example, take that, and you have to select something like that, and I want to take picture about that. For example, about this one, I don't know, this one there, and take picture. So I have taken a picture and it's analyzed that, and it detects that this is Flow Wolf and this is an icon, and you can go there, click on Flow Wolf and see what it is about that, and you get my my information, for example. Okay, also you get the possibility to use video recording or gallery images. For example, I have downloaded this picture before, and it's analyze it, and what it is. This is the Versailles Palace. So let's go to Palace of Versailles, for example, there or there, and you get different images. You have also the possibility to show that on maps where you take pictures and where other pictures have been taken. You have also the search possibility by this button. This is Google Googles, and you can take pictures about monuments and others. I must show you a game because games is just amazing. Yes, I have also to speak about how many time different things have been downloaded. For example, maps is 100 million time. This is the same for Google Googles. Now Google Googles is only 10 million. Angry Birds is more than 250 million times, because there is Angry Birds Season, Angry Birds Space, Angry Birds Rio, Angry Birds Star Wars. This is the last one. So okay, sorry. On this Angry Birds, you may already know how it works. You get different planets there, and you can just send different birds to kill the monuments. For example, there we are using this one, and you have to press there, and it chooses a force field, and there we have to kill different things like that. You know, for example, we get the first one. Then we have to use this one. What is this one? I don't remember. Yes, this is saber laser, for example. We get it. And the last one, just to finish, this is the pistol laser to kill it. Okay, so this is Angry Birds, and you have to enjoy it a lot of time with this game. Next application is Gmail, because Gmail is one of the most important application needed. You have there the different labels. You can just select the labels, and you have to synchronize your mail when you want. You get labels there, manage labels, search, create new message like that to the pupil, subject, compose mail, and send. This is just so easy to use it. You can also use different account there, and you get so many things with that. This is so useful to get this one. There is Solid Explorer. Solid Explorer is my favorite explorer for your SD card because you have two different panels and you can switch from the first one to the second one. And for example, just send different things from this one, long press, copy to, and it copy it to the other panel, move to. You can also rename and other things. You have different actions. You can add a folder, a file, different connection as FTP, SFTP, SMB, or cloud connection. On menu, you have different things that you can do. There is also this amazing thing. You can select different things just clicking the icon and open it by clicking tapping on the name. You have also the possibility to go on the route because you can access to this system. For example, for people who need it, go and check. For people needing it, you have this system folder that is using. Okay, maybe Maps is now working. Does it get my location there? Still not. Okay, so for example, let's just go to get navigation. For example, this one from Italy. I don't know. Get direction. Italy. No, not this one. Italy. For example, this one. Let's go to get direction from two different places. Getting driving directions, and you get the direction from there. You have also the possibility to use the navigation, as I say before, and waiting for location. Not working. It will not work. Okay. Okay, for maps, so there is the directions, and there is also direction list that you can use by this way, and you get how long it is and how many kilometers. Next application is Google Chrome. This is a browser. You have Google Chrome, but also Dolphin that you can use. Google Chrome is easy because you can just synchronize it from your Google account. You have different panels. You can create new tabs. For example, go to I don't know, YouTube there. Okay, you can use YouTube. You can use different panels by this way. You get different panels. You can just switch from one to the other just by doing something like that, you know. You can there use your panels, just select which one you want. If you want to kill a panel, you just have to do something like that, and let's go to kill it. You select the other one by this way. You have also the bookmarks. You can add it on bookmarks or favorite by clicking the name and save by this way, you know. You get very different things, chill, like that. Okay, you have the keyboard also. So Google Chrome is so easy and to use. Next application is WhatsApp. You have the possibility to speak with all people around the world that you are on contacts, and you have just to use this one. For example, I can click there and I send a message to this people. How are you on Munich? There. And I have to press this send button and it send it. Okay, so you have the discussion. You can also send take pictures, send pictures from the gallery, videos, contact, location, and audio message with different icons also there, emoticons from there, you know. This is just so useful. You have the Evernote, the next one. Evernote is also synchronized on your Evernote on the website. So you get the different notes you have. You can take picture from note. For example, you have to click on new note. You have to create a new note with the title, the content. You can add a notebook. You can add tags. You have the tags already used and you can create a new one. You can take pictures from this one and take picture to add it on the note. For example, select it there and you get the pictures on the note there. Okay, you can add also different locations, set location by this way, and you can set the location where you want. For example, you can add pin from this. So on Evernote you get the different notes you have created and synchronized on your account. You can just edit it, share, email a copy. You can also tag and view on map. For example, this one I have just do something like that. I have just put this one on lion, for example, and you get there on the map where is the note, for example. You can also list it by date update, date created, title, notebook, sci-fi, and others. You can also search and use map or create shortcut. This is for Evernote. You also get a new note, this panel, you have just to slide it. Snapshot, audio, attach. You have different note, notebooks, tags, places, and the different explore Evernote just to get how to work just faster. Okay, and my last application is Facebook. I have also already created a video on that, and this is the Facebook application, already downloaded more than 1,000 million times. So this is an amazing one. You get there the thread, the different things on Facebook. You can use the possibility to speak with your contact status by this online, and you can have the other panel there. You can just also go upload messages, chat, photos. For example, edit favorite account, your different groups by clicking here. Okay, you have also after that you have your notifications. Using Facebook, for example, last notification, you can post it. You have the possibility to add people. You can also use the location, so for example, where you are on the map by this way, and you have seen take pictures to add it on the stages. You have also the everyone and the audience you want to use, or friend list, for example. That was my review for my 10 favorite application. I think you have also to see this one with 5 other applications. Sound out, just to remember and to find a sound that you are listening. The other one is tune radio, to listen radio all around the world, just with the network connection. My app share is used to share your apps with friends. You have to create different APKs and you can send it by mail, by Bluetooth or others. YouTube, also the YouTube application, just so useful, and the Skype, because a lot of people are using Skype and I use it. Thanks to have seen this top 10 or top 15, and let's go to say me what you think is good on that. Let's go to continue my work, and don't forget to thumbs up. That was Flo.